What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw the Chainsaw Man. Let's begin today's lesson along the top left side of a page with a circle. I'm going to start from the very top in the middle, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up. Let's trace that circle along the inside, just drawing a smaller circle. Now from here we're going to draw the bottom edge of the mouth. Let's start from the bottom of that circle, draw a straight angle line, coming all the way across towards the front of the head. Let's go to the top right side of that circle, add a trim, going out and then up. And connect the top to the right side with a curve. Going across, and then we'll bring that down. Now I want to add a trim across the front of the head, so we'll take this curve, step down from the top, and then just trace that across towards the bottom. Now you want to add two vents across the side of the head. Let's start from the bottom left, going up and in, step across and draw that again. Let's round up the top of those lines, and we'll follow those curves coming back down towards the bottom. Let's fill these areas in black. Now going up to the top, we're going to add in that handle. From this point, go up and out at an angle, come down and across, and angle that back down on top of the head. Now coming down to the bottom, let's round out the bottom of the handle, coming around it up. Now you want to trace these lines coming back around, but we're also going to round out the corners. Pull that down on top of the head. Now from here we're going to open up the jaw. Let's start from the left side of the circle, draw a straight angle line coming down, right about there. Draw an angled line coming all the way across towards the front of the jaw. Let's duplicate this line on the inside and down towards that bottom line. Now from the corner of the jaw, I'm just going to slope this down towards the front and close off the front of the chin. Now let's go back up to the top and add the top row of teeth. We're going to start from the inside, come down, just bend that in, taper that back up towards the top. Now you want to repeat this all the way towards the front. Coming down and in. You want to make these teeth of equal length. Add a couple more. Now I'm going to add some teeth across the bottom. Let's start from the inside, and it's up and in, and then come down. I'm just making these teeth a little bit smaller than the ones on top. Now I want to draw the back side of the mouth. So starting underneath the teeth, draw this same angled line, coming down towards the bottom, and we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now let's go back and finish off the head. We're going to start from the top of the circle, we're going to step up, draw a straight angle line, going all the way towards the back of the head. Just going to angle this down, and we'll pull that in towards the side of our circle. Now let's line up at the top of the head, in behind the handle, just angle this up and out towards the back, and just tuck that in behind. Let's line this up underneath, straight down towards the jaw. And I just want to curve this in, come in, and then down towards the side of the mouth. Let's add a couple lines on the inside. Now we're going to add that handle along the back of the head. Let's start from the bottom corner, step up, go out, come down, and then all the way back in. Let's trace the outside of the handle and also rounding out the corners. Let's add a little bit more detail to the head. Starting from here, it's going to bend this around the base of the handle and go up. Angle this down. And curve that back in towards the bottom. Now with the head in place, let's draw in the saw. From the bottom corner of the head, step up. Just going to angle this down and forward to right about there. Let's step up, draw that same angle line, and line this up on the end. Let's round out the tip with a half circle. Now I'm going to add some blood across the bottom of the blade. Let's start from the inside, come down. Just going to pull this in at an angle, round this out, and then just work our way across towards the front of the blade with these curves. Let's add a couple small splash spots, ovals. Now I want to trace the blade along the inside going in behind the blood. So start along the top, going across, and then out. Let's surround the blade with the teeth. Start from the inside, angle this up, and come back in with an angle. I just want to repeat this all the way around that blade. And now with the head in place, let's move down and draw on the left arm. We're going to start underneath the head. Start by curving the arm going out, and then down toward the elbow. Then the arm coming down towards the wrist. Now we're going to draw a half circle for the thumb, going in and out. Close off the end with a bracket. Now you want to add 3 fingers along the bottom. So we're going to start underneath the thumb, come down and up around that bracket. Step down, come down and up with the second finger. Now the third finger, we're going to go all the way around and then up towards the elbow. Let's follow this same curve from the elbow going up and in underneath the head. Let's connect the outside of the elbow to the inside with a curve for the sleeve. Step up and draw that again with the top roll of the sleeve. Now you want to draw the same blade underneath the hand. Let's start from the outside, a straight angle line coming down. Go underneath the front finger, that same angled line, pulls off the bottom with that half circle. Let's splash some blood along the bottom. And these curves going around. And we'll add those splashes. And we'll trace the inside of the blade, starting from the outside, just going in behind the blood. Now let's add the teeth of the blade. We're going to start from the outside, just work our way around towards the inside of the blade. I also want to carry some of that blood across the outside of the arm. Let's start from the top, pull this all the way around, and then down, and then adding some splashes along the inside. Now let's go underneath the top of the arm, curve the back, coming around, and then forward, round out the bottom of the body, coming out, and then up. Let's follow this curve, going up underneath the chin. Now from the chin, we draw the edge of the collar, coming down at an angle, bend this up, and then out underneath the head. Let's go back underneath, draw 2 angled lines coming in, close off the bottom of the tie knot. Now on the left side, we're going to bend the tie, coming down, out, and then down. Let's go over towards the right side of the knot. Now the tie gets wider as it comes down towards the bottom. Connect the ends with 2 lines coming in towards the middle. Let's go underneath the tie on the right, add a curve, coming down and across. Now we're going to tuck the legs in underneath the body. On the left hip, step in, curve this down, and then forward. From the hip, let's step over, curve the leg, coming across. Just gonna round out the knee, pull that around, and then up towards the side of the leg. Now because we bent the leg in behind, we're going to tuck the foot underneath. We'll start on the outside, come down towards the bottom, round out the foot, and pull that up underneath the knee. Let's go back to the front, step down, add a fold, going up and across. Now from the inside, draw a straight angled line going out towards the inside of the knee. Let's go over towards the right hip, step down, curve the leg going out. And just like we did on the left, we're just going to round out the knee, pull that in, and then up underneath the leg. Underneath the leg, let's draw the foot. Going down, go out, and then in behind the knee. Let's add a thick trim along the bottom of the foot on the left side. So we'll step in, just trace the foot coming around towards the bottom, and just blend that out. Let's do the same thing on the right foot. Let's add in the toe cap. In the center of the foot, let's step up. We're going to draw a V, going up and out towards the side. From the ends, bend that out and then down towards the side of the foot. Let's trace that shape along the bottom. Now I'm going to do the same thing across the right foot. Going up in an angle, bend this out towards the side, and then just trace this along the bottom. Now from these 2 points, draw 2 straight angle lines going up in behind the knee, step out, and draw that again. Let's do the same thing across the right foot. Let's go back up to the hips and draw the bottom of the belt. From the hip, let's step down, follow that curve, going all the way across, and then up. Now underneath this line, we draw 2 straight angle lines for the buckle. Let's add a belt loop on the left side with 2 lines. Now from here, we're going to layer the right arm in behind the head. Let's line up the shoulders along the inside of the mouth, draw a straight angle line coming down towards the wrist. From the wrist, let's curl around the thumb and go up, bend this down, round out the thumb, and then pull that up. Let's add a curve across the edge of the palm. Let's curl 3 fingers along the end. Starting from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, coming out and then back in. Step down, add another oval going up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. Let's go to the bottom finger, curve the palm, coming in, and then up, step down, draw a straight angle line coming in underneath the jaw. Now halfway along the arm, we're going to add the sleeve. Start with a curve along the bottom, step in, draw that again, going in behind the teeth. Now let's place that chainsaw in behind the right hand. Start from the top finger, a straight angle line, coming out, step down towards the palm, and draw that again. Let's connect the ends with that half circle. And then again, we're going to add some blood across the bottom of the blade. So adding this wavy line, going all the way around, and we'll add some splash ovals. Let's trace the inside of that blade. Now I'm going to add those teeth going around the blade. Let's start from the top and work our way around towards the bottom. Let's finish off by adding a little bit more blood across the bottom of the arm. So adding that wave first, and across the fingers. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Denji from Chainsaw Man. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to draw more characters like this, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.